Hello you guys, I don't know if you guys know, but the Zara sale is on and a lot of people are shopping online, but I actually decided to go and shop in store. I ended up picking up a shit ton of stuff, but this is gonna be a try on haul. Things were really cheap in Zara, you guys, like I'm not even joking. The stuff on sale was insane. Dresses was $7.90, tops were $5.90, $7.90. If you're wondering how do you figure out what days are the stores open on, since they are open on alternate days, but you guys can check on the app. We weren't allowed to try on the clothes, so everything I've gotten without trying. And I have to say that you need to know your sizes before you go. It's really easy to just get carried away and pick stuff up on sale, because a lot of times it's not going to be your size and it's going to be super duper cute and super duper cheap at the same time. So don't make that mistake, because if you want to exchange stuff, you gotta wait 30 days, which absolutely sucks. I think they're doing exchanges in some sort of batch method. I don't know the exact details. All I know is I'm not going to be able to exchange the clothes that I want to exchange or return for another at least month. Anyways, let's get into the video. The first thing I want to show you guys is this top. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this top has shoulder pads, which is the coolest thing about it. So this is the first top. It has this elastic thing right here, so I just realized that I can even wear it super high up. It has super low armholes. I used to wear a men's armhole t-shirt before, and it was a super huge size, and anything I'd wear inside would be visible and it would look kind of bad, because even if you wear a cute bralette or a top, people would still think you're like half naked. Indian mentality is just not the best. So this is nice because you are low-key covered. Like, you obviously can see a little bit of my nude bra here, but it's a little bit, but it's like it's cute, And they had this top in black and in white, and this one was $7.90. By the way, this top was not on sale. It was from the Fresh collection. I got only 2 things from the Fresh collection, I believe. I still think that this was a steal, and I love basic tops, and I'm a strong believer in getting nice basics, because I feel like people really tend to ignore buying basics for their wardrobe and then they complain about not having clothes. This top I can wear on sweats, I can wear on jeans, I can wear with like shorts. It's gonna look nice in so many different ways. That is that. This is the top. I really like it. So this is a pair of jeans that I got. They're really cool, you guys. They're super slouchy, and as you can see, they're not fitted at all, but that's what I love about them the most. They're super like relaxed, super chill vibes, super nonchalant. They're actually called the slouchy fit. Like, there is a hell lot of breathing space here. It's not like a pair of skinny jeans, and I'm really over skinny jeans, you guys. Like, I feel like it's so hot in Bombay, and if I wear skinny jeans I will probably die, but that being said, I'll probably wear it anyway. But it's nice to have like a nice cool pair of jeans that you can wear and just look chill, Like, I feel like this is gonna look so nice with so many different crop tops, and this one was only 1,200 bucks, you guys. So that's insane to me. And this is my favorite pair of pants that I got in this entire haul, just by the way. I got this super cute cropped bomber jacket, you guys. This is adorable. I am obsessed with this bomber jacket. Like, I cannot even, the minute I saw this in the store, I was like, we are getting you are mine. And I wish you could feel this fabric, but it's super soft and super amazing. And I don't know, apparently it's made out of recycled plastic bottles, so it's good for the environment. Let me do a little bit of a fashion show for you guys, just so you can see. This was 1,200 rupees, you guys. This is, I believe, what you call a muscle tee, very similar to the black one I showed you guys earlier. That one was $7.90 and this one was $5.90, and I think it's because this one is just like a basic t-shirt but with cute armholes again, and not very exposy ones. Like, I love this style of this, especially with these jeans. I actually wore this outfit today, like this, these jeans and this top, and it was so cute. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this t-shirt. It was 590 rupees. This is the other non-sale item I was telling you guys about, but those are the only 2 things I bought today that were not on sale. I don't know if you guys were ready for this, but this top is pretty freaking bomb, you guys. Like, I did not even know that Zara does tops like this. It's so cute, right, you guys? Like, I can't wait to wear this out. Like, You guys, this is future investment. I know I'm not going to be able to go anywhere wearing this stuff, but we're going to wear these jeans and this top together, and I probably would wear this on my birthday bring-in, because it's so freaking adorable. Like, I am living for this top, and this was only $5.90, you guys. Again, I'm shook. By the way, forgot to mention sizes in case you guys are interested, just for like some reference. The black top I got in a size medium because I wanted it to be a little oversized. The white top I got in a size small, and the bomber jacket is a size small. Jeans are a size 36, and that is like the perfect size for me. And this top was again a size small, and I think this is kind of low-key adjustable. Like, you could probably wear it fully open, but I will not be allowed to leave my house like that, so I'm probably gonna wear it like this and a little bit more tighter. I see myself wearing this in so many different ways. Top number, I don't know, 3 or 4. So to be honest, I've worn this top ulta, you guys can see, but I could not be bothered to change this and put it on again. Anyways, this is the next top. I know that Zara is selling this top in a ton of different patterns. I saw a cheetah print, I saw this print. And first, when I came home and tried this on, I was so apprehensive. I was like, I look like a hoe, which I probably do. But, you know, I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear this, and I don't know if I can actually wear this out. But now that I look at it, it's chill, you know what I mean? Since the straps are adjustable, you can adjust them according to your bra size, which is great. So let's see, I might wear this for my birthday, you know, you never know. Again, this was $7.90 and I got it in a size small. So this is the next crop top. I must say, wearing this after trying those previous 2 tops on, I feel like this is so much more modest, and I feel like such a good girl wearing this. This is the top, you guys, and it's super adorable. It's this leathery fabric. So the size small, and I feel like I got really lucky with some of these tops, you know, even finding my size. How are these not sold out? Although I will say that they're not like the cheapest tops in the world. They were $800 for each top. And this top is really nice. Like, I really like it. I feel like it's a nice safe top. Like, you know, if you don't want to overdress anywhere, you still want to look kind of cute. Like, I think this is awesome. Okay, you guys, so now we have something super duper conservative. This is a basic white t-shirt. I feel like you can never go wrong with a basic white t-shirt, and I love the color white. I'm obsessed with wearing white t-shirts. This top was $3.90, you guys, which is absolutely insane to me. Also, it's really basic. They had like this whole section of t-shirts that were really cheap. That was for $4.90, $3.90. I'm happy that I got this t-shirt because it's really cute. It's like a nice basic white t-shirt to have. As I said, I am obsessed with basic. I think they're so underrated and they need to be in everybody's wardrobe, and people really do ignore buying basics. Like, I have a few friends who will literally just buy just like nice tops, like one time wear tops, and then they will completely forget about buying like a nice pair of jeans or nice shoes, and they'll have that nice top but then they won't have anything to go with it. First thing you need to do when you're building your capsule wardrobe is you need to invest in nice basics, and this isn't even an investment at $3.90. I personally keep dirtying every white t-shirt that I own, so I feel like the more the merrier. So whenever I see cheap white t-shirts in any store, I buy them. This is the next top that I got, and unfortunately it does not fit me. This is its size 34, $7.90. Unfortunately it does not fit me, so we're just gonna have to let this one go. Guys, so this is officially the last top in this entire haul, and to be honest, I was super on the fence about it, and I probably still am, just because the color reminds me of a sari blouse, and like just the whole way it fits and stuff is like very like sari blouse vibes. But I was attracted to it in the store, and I do want to step out of my comfort zone and try out new styles and stuff like that, which is why I initially picked this up. It's just that I don't know how much I'm gonna end up wearing this top. Like, I'll probably wear it for one nice lunch or one nice dinner and then never wear it again, and I don't like to do that with my clothes. But you know, we're gonna have to see. Like, it's definitely looking super cute in this video. Another thing is I can wear it like this, which is a super popular way of wearing tops. Again, this was a size small and this was rupees $7.90. I like this outfit quite a bit. We're gonna see what we do about this one. So yeah, peace. If you're wondering why these jeans do not have a button, it's because I'm fucking stupid and I didn't even check if the pants I'm buying have a button or not. And as a matter of fact, these are the most expensive pants or item rather that I got in this entire haul. Anyway, let's ignore the fact that these are defective because I am gonna exchange these. These are a pair of baggy pants. I don't know if you guys can really tell. And the way I envision wearing these was with the stuff cuffed up, because like that's just how I like to wear my jeans these days. I like everything kind of shorter. These are a size 36, but I still don't love them. Like I saw these and I thought, oh my god, I'm in love with these. These are such a cute pair of jeans. Somehow I just don't like them on. Like I feel like I could do better and I could buy something better. So I'm just gonna let these go. Okay, so you guys, this is another pair of jeans that I got. I was so obsessed with these the minute I saw them, and initially I picked up a size 36, which is actually my size, and then I saw them while billing and I was like, you know what, I need a 38 because my waist is not that small. And now I come home and try the 38 and I feel like I should have gone for the 36. Size 38 is super baggy on me, which makes it really similar to the slouchy pair of jeans that I got. I don't want to end up buying two same pairs of jeans, so I'm gonna have to get like a size 36. So I think I'm just gonna have to wait for them to start exchanging. These are fine, but I feel like it could be more just snatched. You know what I mean? Time for some real regrets. These really soft fabric silky pants, and they look absolutely horrible with this outfit, and they could have been something, but they're not. I don't know why I ended up picking these up. It's probably because I just really like the fabric a lot. It's really soft and really nice and stuff like that. Also size medium, which sucks because it's loose. I don't know what I was thinking getting a size medium. I just got excited because it was really soft and it was really cheap at the same time. So don't make that mistake, you guys. I spoke about this in my Hill Road video as well. Like, don't just buy things because they're cheap. Like, you need to absolutely envision yourself wearing them in at least 3 or 4 different ways. And most of these clothes I can see myself wearing in at least 3 or 4 different ways. This is the third last thing I want to show you guys in this haul. And this is actually a dress. So I know this looks really sexy and stuff from here, but I really think this dress does no justice to my body, and I expected it to be way more snug, way better quality, stuff like that. But it just kind of disappointed me a lot because the minute I saw it, I knew I wanted to get it, and now I know that I shouldn't have gotten it because it's quite average, you guys, honestly. I do own a few long dresses, but this is just not something I see myself wearing. And I bought this because it was for $9.90 and I thought that was super affordable. But honestly, you guys, this was just not what I was expecting. I don't know if you can see, but the fabric is super flimsy, you know what I mean? It's probably just not my style and I probably don't have the body for it. A lot of people might, but it's just not my thing. So I've decided I'm going to return this one. This is something I actually like a lot, but it is a little bit loose for me from the waist. Like, it's not as snug because I got a size medium in this one, and I really like these. It's a pair of leather leggings and it's so cute. I'm so happy I got these because these are actually super cute. They're super breathable, they're super comfortable. I see myself wearing these to chill on a regular basis. I see myself wearing these at the grocery store. Maybe not so much, but I see myself wearing these to go for dinners, to go for lunches, to go to work, maybe with a white t-shirt. And even though this is not actually leather, but you know, this kind of leather fabric is pretty versatile. Like, you can take it from day to night. These were $9.90. That's super duper worth it, especially for a pair of leather sweatpants. Okay, you guys, now this is one heck of a dress. I'm really happy that I got this, you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it is ruched all over. It's made out of this really cool fabric that almost looks leathery, but it's not, and it hugs your body really well. Like, I didn't even try this dress on, and I knew that I needed it because it looked like it would fit really well, and I am so happy I got this. If I ever have to go to a Catholic funeral, this is what I'm going to be wearing. No, I'm kidding, you guys, but if I was actually celebrating my birthday, I would have probably worn this dress because it's so cute and it hugs your body in all the right places. Although it is a little bit long, I would have probably worn it a little shorter. So I would have probably worn it like this. But you guys, isn't this the cutest dress in the world? Like, what? It's super cute. It's the same way in the back, and you guys probably have seen big puffy sleeves everywhere. They're all the rage right now. Zara has so many items with big puffy sleeves, and I am totally on board for this trend. Like, I think it's so cute. It's like a nice pair of gold heels and some big earrings. I think this dress is just a vibe. I can't wait to wear this.
Okay guys, so this is the next thing I wanted to show you. It's this pair of sandals, and I swear to God, like, these are so cute. Like, I just want to show you guys the detail. I am obsessed with cheetah print. It's my favorite print in the world. And yeah, these are just so adorable. These were, how much were these? $9.90. Isn't that a steal for $9.90? OG price was $18.90. So yeah, that's it.
Okay guys, so that was it from me. That was everything I got from Zara. I had so much fun doing this haul. I love talking about the new things I buy. So this was just the perfect thing for me to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am obviously in no way trying to brag, and I honestly don't do shopping sprees like this. Like, I don't go to Zara and buy 10 things. I'm very grateful that I could actually do this year for my birthday, and yeah, I'm really happy I could do this. I was in the need of some new clothes. One thing I would definitely say is that the sale online is not as good as the sale in the store. I feel like everybody is just shopping online and nobody really wants to risk their lives by getting out during COVID. But a lot of people did come to the store. If I'm being honest, I did put in a clip in the beginning of this video showing you guys the state of the store when I entered. It was full. There were at least 70 to 80 people in the store, so it's not like I was the only person in the store and I was the only person being reckless. Koki, what do you want? Come, you want to be in the video? So as I was saying, it's not like I was the only person in the store, and I'm not being super reckless by shopping in the middle of COVID. I know it's not the best idea, but I honestly took all my safety precautions. I had my mask on, I sanitized, I did not get close to anybody. Like, it's not like you're going to get close to anybody really, because people are maintaining social distancing, and you obviously cannot try clothes on, so it wasn't such a bad idea. And I am really happy I went to Zara because I was missing normal life and I was missing the feeling of actually going out and stuff. So I'm really glad that I could actually do something normal right before my birthday. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Laddu? This baby is just the cutest thing in the world. Coco, you and I should do a photo shoot together. We look so good. Anyway, that was it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I will have that coming. Do subscribe to my channel. Go follow me on Instagram, you guys. I do a lot of stuff about fashion and beauty, and I will be doing also, if you're interested in getting to know me a little bit more, I have a video up called 25 random facts about me, where I tell you guys 25 random facts about myself. So definitely go check that out. I will link it somewhere here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to check out my beauty and fashion playlist to get more advice from me on beauty and fashion. I'm trying to build a community here where we can be open with one another and not feel shy to talk about budget-friendly shopping and saving some money on makeup and saving some money on beauty. Just want this to be a safe space for all girls to, you know, just be open and feel like my one-on-one BFF. Like, that's what I pretty much want, because that's what I look for in a YouTuber. So yeah, you guys, that was pretty much it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. I love you so much. Thank you for watching.